Hello, I'm mindfulness coach Pamela Dangelmeyer, and I'm grateful to be guiding you in this 5-minute Grow meditation. Before we begin the Grow meditation, which will start at the sound of the bell, let us take a moment to recognize and honor the fact that we're taking this time to be present in this moment, acknowledging our efforts to support our creativity and to simply be. Settling into a comfortable position, either in a chair or seated on the floor, allowing the back to adopt an erect, dignified, and comfortable posture. If sitting in a chair, having feet flat on the floor, legs uncrossed. And now I invite you to close your eyes if that's comfortable for you. If you would prefer to keep your eyes open, then allowing your gaze to fall unfocused on the floor in front of you. And now, being aware of the mind, begin to gently gather your thoughts. Perhaps your mind, your thinking, is off distracted into the future or reminiscing in the past. Notice where the thoughts are. Gather them and gently guide them back to this moment, being present here in the now. As you settle the mind, remember to breathe. Breathing in with awareness, breathing out with awareness. Perhaps noticing the space in between. There's no need to alter or change the breathing. Just let the breath breathe itself, letting the attention rest with the breath. Now, shifting awareness to the entirety of experience, allowing the attention to be fully open to the experience, allowing ourselves to notice any thoughts, any emotions, any sensations that might emerge and dissolve in our experience. Allowing the attention to be relaxed, fully still, and fully open to all experiences in this moment as we waken to the now. Allowing ourselves to notice any feelings of aliveness, energy, or creativity in this awakening. Allowing our attention to simply be open to what is. As we come to the end of this Grow meditation, let us acknowledge our efforts to be present, to grow. May we be at peace. May all beings be at peace.